So you always see CNC. What does it mean? CNC stands for computerized numerical controls. Simply means you use a computer to control the machine. Now there's different types of CNC. This type of CNC is specifically designed and made to cut wood, plastics, carbon fibers, soft metals like aluminum, brass, copper. It's not made to cut steel. Usually you would use a different type of CNC or a CNC plasma cutter. Plasma is a method of cutting metal. Well, the whole purpose of it is to be able to make repeatable cuts. The whole purpose is to be able to make things over and over again, maybe even in mass quantity, and make them perfectly. For instance, this is one of the items that we make and sell. It's a candy cart. That person asked for a sign for it, so we made a sign also. That's a carved PVC sign. And behind me here is a wall. I think it's called a Chiara wall. It folds in half. Somebody's picking that up today. And if you'll notice, it has hinges on the back and then these locks. And the locks are simply pieces of wood that slide into a holder to keep it in place. And then down at the bottom it has hinged legs and a lock. We make quite a bit of yard art. And what I mean by yard art is things like silhouettes of Bigfoots, people. We're going to be doing King of the Hill for somebody shortly. That should be fun. My wife loves to paint, and she's very good at it. And it's very lifelike when she paints. She's the artist, I'm the engineer. So I design stuff, make the stuff, and she's the one who paints it if the customer wants it painted. We do a tremendous amount of signs. And what I mean by signs is like carved signs. For instance, I was in the Air Force, and that was the unit I was in, and that's a carved PVC sign. I like to put stuff that represents me around the shop. If you're a wedding planner, if you're a birthday planner, and you're looking for large scale props or backdrops, if you want something custom made where only you have one, please give us a call. Our telephone number is 352-255-7131, and we are TANDTCNCdesign.com. Okay, so that's TANDTCNCdesign.com. You can find that link in our bio. Our telephone number is in the bio. Our address is in the bio. So for all your custom needs, no matter what it is, whether it's signage, whether it's backdrops, for even like plays and other types of drama stuff like that, we can do large scale backdrops. So once again, give us a call. My name's Mark. My wife is Elaine. We answer the phone almost always because I'm old school and believe that you should always answer because you never know where somebody lives. Their hours are different than yours. So we try and answer all the time, except after we go to bed, but we will return your call first thing in the morning. You can always email us also if you have a design or something you want custom made, and it's TANDTCNC@yahoo.com. So that's our email address, TANDTCNC@yahoo.com. Anyhow, for all your custom needs, contact TNT CNC Design Studio in Groveland, Florida. Thank you.